So, I'm in this position, I can ask my follow to step out. My weight is left, her weight is on the left. I can change my weight without changing her weight. I change my weight to the left, out. I change my hand placement on her shoulder. I turn her evenly, with her weight transfer in the middle. Evenly, I can take my time, slide. I can take my time. As a follow, you can express as well, controlled, but you cannot change your weight. From this position, I ask my follow to slide her leg with the technique you learned in the class, and I can block. I lift my leading, and from this point, you are free to do whatever you like. So, we restart. In this position, ask my follow to go out. I twist her with her weight evenly. I change my position, transfer my weight to my right. I ask her to slide her leg, block, I lift. And I have different options at the end.